So, today is September 9th, 2025, and this is another live trade. Right here, what we're seeing is a little supply setup that I'm looking at on JBP USD. And what I'm waiting for price to break this candle low so I could get in the trade. And yeah, and we'll see what happens. Right now, I got basically most of my confirmations on this setup, besides one. So I'm not really feeling like this might be the trade for the day right now. But we will wait and see. If price breaks this supply zone, then we'll just wait for the next setup, which is cool. I don't really mind. Because also in the higher time frame, price is kind of at a little support area right here. You see price broke up and then it came down and it's kind of at this support right here. But we will see what happens because anything can happen in the markets. So you just got to be ready to react to what price does. And yeah, we'll see what happens. All right. So this setup is invalid. We're just about to wait for the next setup to come through. That's why you got to be patient. Just send that to the group chat. Then we're just going to wait for the next clean setup that we get. And if you see me looking at this side, I'm looking at my other screen where I have my trading view open. And over here, I'm just looking with my indicator. And yeah, I'm just looking at the overall price action to see what's going on. But right now, there's nothing really clean that I see. So we'll just have to wait. And once I find something clean, I'll come back into the charts. Basically now is over 9:30. The New York Stock Exchange is open. I had a little zone marked up right here on NASDAQ, but the zone got broken into basically with that 9:30 candle. So this is basically invalid for me, especially since 3 MAs are not lined up accordingly. So right now we're just still waiting for a clean setup. That's what we're doing right now. Still waiting for a clean setup. Right now I see on gold, we have this 15-minute demand zone right here on gold. So if price comes back down, I might be taking this trade right here. But we will see what happens. We will see what happens. So I might be looking for buys on gold. Hopefully the next candle closes near the zone and gives us an actual entry candle. Because right now price is just bugging out. I don't know what happened at 10. I don't know if Trump was speaking, something happened in the White House. I don't know. There was no news today, so I don't know what happened. That price just bugged out like that. But we'll have to wait and see. I know some people probably got in as soon as price came down and touched that zone, but I'm not about to do that. I'm about to just wait for my actual entry confirmation. Price is already touching the zone. Well, it touched the zone already, so I'm just about to wait for price to actually give me an entry candle to get in this trade. Now, if price holds in the zone and begins to reject, and the next candle breaks that candle high, or we get another candle and it breaks the candle high, that's when we're going to be getting in the trade for buys on gold. I'm probably going to go for a 1-to-1 since it's all-time highs on gold, but we will see what happens. It's invalid. The trade is invalid. Seems like today might just be a no trading day. Well, I said right now I'm about to just call it a day because honestly, price is not even doing anything. I would have taken this setup, but price never broke this low right here, this tiny low. If price would have broke this low a little bit and then came back up to retest the zone, then it would have been more valid. But right now, price is just doing a double bottom, and I'm not about to risk my money to take that trade. Plus, we only got 15 minutes left in our session, so I'm just about to call it a day, save my capital, and come back again tomorrow into the charts. Today was garbage. Nothing really happened. Price over here faking out, doing other stuff on gold. Nasdaq still dropping. Never really give us a clear zone or setup. But there's other people that capitalize off of that due to their strategy. But for my strategy, it just didn't make any sense to get in the trade. So it's completely cool. And this is basically was a no trade day. That's how it is. You just gotta be patient and just wait for your setup. Be strict with it and wait for your setup to come up, for your strategy to show up. Because if you try to force a trade and it's not according to your strategy, then you'll most likely end up having a losing day. And I've been there, done that. Been doing this for years now, so we're not gonna repeat the same cycle of forcing trade setups just to make some money and end up taking a loss for the day just because I wasn't strict with my rules and my strategy, you know? So for now, we're just gonna call that a day. Today was a no trading day. Now you guys had to get the experience of how it is when it is a no trading day and the market gives you no setups according to your strategy, and how to be patient. That's the key today. Being patient and waiting for your setup to come up and play out. And if you don't see no setup, if you don't see your confirmations, don't get in the markets. Don't force anything. Don't make things up in your mind. Oh, and then try to force a trade. Like, nah, bro. We sticking to the rules, sticking to the plan, and we following everything to the T. And yeah. And guess what? Losing no money is better than losing money. So keep that in mind. Till next time, guys. We're out.